Some more examples on trigonometric functions. Now, first example, the number of principal solutions of tan 2 theta is equal to 1 is dash dash. MHT CET 2017 la विचारलेला question. Now I write tan 2 theta is equal to, that is one value is for tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4. Therefore, compare this. We know the general solution of tan theta is tan x equal to tan alpha type. That is x equal to n pi plus alpha. General solution is 2 theta is equal to n pi plus alpha pi by 4, where n belongs to z. That is theta is equal to n pi by 2 plus pi by 8. Just this to transfer, n belongs to z. Now we want principal solutions, that is solution lies between 0 and 2 pi. 0 and 2 pi male solutions. Put n is equal to first 0. Put n is equal to 0. N is equal to 0 we get. Put n is equal to 0 we get this neglected pi by 8. Pi by 8. First pi by 8. Second n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 we get pi by 2 plus pi by 8. Theta is equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 8, that is 5 pi by 8. 5 pi by 8. N is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 we get 2 pi upon 2 plus pi by 8. 2 pi by 2 plus pi by 8. That is common denominator 4, 8, 9 pi by 8. 9 pi by 8. And n is equal to 3. Theta is equal to 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 8. Pi by 8. That is 4, 13 pi by 8. N is equal to 5. N is equal to 4. Then it is 2 pi plus. 2 pi चा पुढे गेला. 2 pi plus pi by 8. That is going above the 2 pi plus. 2 pi plus, that is about 360. Therefore neglected. N is equal to 4 is not there. Therefore solutions are 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 solutions. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the lies between 0 and 2 pi. Therefore option is D option. 4 solutions. 4 principal solutions. Next, the number of solutions of sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x equal to 0 in the interval pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. That is 92 to 70. MHT CET 2018 ला विचारलेला question. Now I write this sin 5x plus sin x plus sin 3x is equal to 0. Just I write this first, combine these two, sin 5x and sin x. That is sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2. Addition of these two, 5x plus x, 6x by 2, 3x plus into cos 5x minus x upon 2, 4x upon 2, 2x plus sin 3x is equal to 0. That is sin 3x out, 2 cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. That is sin 3x is equal to 0 or cos 2x is equal to minus 1 by 2. 1 transfer plus 1 transfer minus 1 upon 2. Minus 1 by 2, it is I write minus, for 1 by 2 it is pi by 3. Cos pi by 3. Second quadrant cos negative, therefore I write cos 2x is equal to minus cos theta, cos pi minus theta. Therefore instead of this I write cos pi minus pi by 3, that is 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. Now solution sets are general solutions are for sin x equal to 0 type, it is 3x equal to n pi. X equal to n pi by 3. N pi by 3. For this cos theta is cos x equal to cos alpha type, that is 2x equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, that is 2 pi by 3. Therefore x equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 3. To transfer, now this is general solution. This is again general solution. Now we want a solution in between these two. Put n is equal to 0. From this, what we get? N is equal to 0, it is 0. First, n is equal to 1, pi by 3. N is equal to 2, 2 pi by 3. N is equal to 3, it is pi. It is pi. N is equal to 4, it is 4 pi by 3. this n is equal to 0, n is equal to 0, we get 0, n is equal to 1, pi by 3, n is equal to 2, 3, 4 and so on this. Again from this, this is up to what, 4 pi by 3, n is equal to 5, then 5 pi by 3 going above this. Therefore n is equal to 0, we get pi minus pi by 3, it is 2 pi by 3, n is equal to 0, it is the pi by 3, n is equal to 1, pi minus pi by 3, again 2 pi by 3, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 2 pi minus pi by 3, that is 3 to the 5 pi by 3. Therefore these are the neglected, that is does not lies between these two, pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. Therefore solutions between these two, these two, pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, this is not there, 0, pi by 3 is not there, cancel, 2 pi by 3, pi and 4 pi by 3. These are the solutions lies between pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. Therefore number of solutions are only 3 solutions, 2 pi by 3, pi and 4 pi by 3. Therefore B option. Example number 3. In triangle ABC with usual notations, B is equal to 2C. These are the sides. Small letters indicate sides of the triangle. And capital B is equal to 3 capital C, that is angles. Then sin A is equal to. Now I write by sine rule, B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. C by sin C. Now B is equal to what? 2C given, implies 2C upon sin B. B is equal to 3C, sin 3C is equal to C as it is upon sin C. Just C cancel. Now this transfer implies 2 sin C, C cancel. Transfer 2 sin C is equal to 3 sin C, sin 3C. Sin 3C, that is equal to 2 sin C, sin 3C, 2 sin C, sin 3C, 3 sin C minus 4 sin cube C. Now simplification of this, check. Simplification. Sin 2C as it is, sin 3C, sin 3 theta formula, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. This now just transfer at one side, that is 4 sin cube C. This transfer, that is plus 2 sin C minus 3 sin C is equal to 0. That is 4 sin cube C minus sin C is equal to 0. Sin C common, sin C, then 4 sin square C minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore sin C is equal to 0, 1, and second is, or sin square C is equal to 1 by 4. Minus 1 transfer, plus 1, 4 divide. Therefore sin C is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Now it is a triangle, therefore sin C is equal to 0 implies angle C is equal to 0. Therefore it is not a possible C is equal to 0. Sin C is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Sin C is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore I write C is equal to, for 1 by 2 sin, it is angle is pi by 6, that is 30 degree. C is equal to 30 degree. Therefore angle B is equal to what? B is equal to 3C. Therefore B is equal to 90. B is equal to 90 degree. Now in triangle C 30 degree, B 90 degree. Therefore total 120. Remaining angle A as a 60 degree. Therefore A is equal to 60 degree. What we want, sin A, sin 60. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin A, we want sin 60, that is root 3 by 2. A option. MST CET 2019 ला विचारलेला क्वेश्चन. Next example. If root 3 cos x minus sin x equal to 1, then general value of x is dash dash. Now this is of the type a cos x plus b sin x is equal to some constant c type. Therefore we divide square root a square plus b square. This is of the type a cos x plus b sin x is equal to c type. This type of trigonometric equations, we divide first square root a square plus b square. That is here root 3 and here 1. Therefore, we divide square root a square plus b square. Root 3 square 3 and 1 square 1. That is, it is root 4, that is 2 divided by 2. Therefore, I write root 3 by 2 cos x minus 1 by 2 sin x is equal to 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2, I write, it is root 3 by 2 for cos value, I write cos x as it is, root 3 by 2, that is cos pi by 6, cos 30 la root 3 by 2, minus sin x, then 1 by 2, that is sin 30, sin pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2 as it is. Now this is the formula, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, cos A plus B, x plus pi by 6 is equal to. Now I write this 1 by 2 in terms of cos. Here as a cos, therefore I write in terms of cos. Cos 1 by 2, it is cos pi by 3, cos 60 as a 1 by 2. Therefore cos theta is equal to cos alpha type or cos x equal to cos alpha. Then general solution is this angle is equal to x plus pi by 6 is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha as a pi by 3. Now this pi by 6 transfer, therefore 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3 minus pi by 6. That is C option. Check. Just transfer this pi by 6, we get answer. Next, in triangle ABC, A is equal to 45, B is equal to 60 degree. Then the ratio of its sides are. Angle A is given, B is given. Then A 45, B 60, therefore total 105. Therefore C is equal to, angle C is equal to automatically 75 degree. Angle C, by just observation 45, 60, then it is 75. Then by sine rule, A upon sine A, B upon sine B, C upon sine C. These are the just by sine rule. A by sine 45, A is equal to 45. Sine 45, it is 1 by root 2. B upon sine B, sine 60, it is root 3 by 2. And C upon sine C 75, sine 75 degree. Now sine 75 degree, I write 30 plus 45, C upon, just I write only this term. This is just carry as it is, sine 30 plus 45. That is splitting of 75. Now C upon sine 30 sine A, cos B plus cos A sine B, This is just formula. C upon sine 30 it is 1 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, then plus cos 30 it is root 3 by 2 and sine 45 1 by root 2. Therefore I write just denominator 1 by root 2, then root 3 by 2, second one, and last one is, this is 1 by 2 root 2 plus numerator root 3. This is just 1 upon 2 root 2. Here again denominator 2 root 2, root 3 into 1 plus root 3. Now just I make common denominator, here multiplier 2, here root 2. Here 2, therefore numerator 2. Therefore 2 upon 2 root 2. Here root 2 already there. Therefore root 2 numerator. Root 3 into root 2, root 6. And last one as it is 2 root 2. 1 plus root 3 or root 3 plus 1. Therefore, ratios are 2 root 6 and 1 plus root 3. 2 root 6 and root 3 plus or 1 plus root 3. A option. Next example. In triangle ABC, if C square plus A square minus B square is equal to AC, then angle B is equal to. Square मध्ये आला तर cosine rule हा square मध्ये आहे. C square plus A square minus B square. कोण subtract झाला आहे B square. Therefore for angle B we can write by cosine rule. Cos B is equal to, angle is B, then subtract B square. C square plus A square minus B square upon 2AC. Now its value is given, C square plus A square minus B square as a AC. Therefore numerator AC upon 2AC. AC gets cancelled, 1 by 2 cos B. Therefore B is equal to cos inverse 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 value 1 by 2 for cos, it is pi by 3. For pi by 3 angle, B has a pi by 3. Therefore, option is B. Option is B. Next example, in triangle ABC, AC cos B minus BC cos A is equal to dash dash. Options are in the square terms, A square, B square, like that. Therefore, we use square मध्ये cosine rule. Cosine rule. Cos B, I write AC as it is cos B, cos B. Therefore, angle is B. Therefore, subtract B square. A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC. 2AC minus BC as it is cos A, angle A. Therefore, subtract A square. Now B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. 2BC. Now just AC cancel, BC cancel. Common denominator as A2. Common denominator as A2. Numerator A square plus C square minus B square. Here minus, therefore minus B square minus C square plus A square. Now what is the cancellation? Minus C square plus C square cancel. A square, that is 2 times A square. And minus B square minus 2 times B square upon 2. 2 common cancel, A square minus B square. A square minus B square, that is A option. A option. Next, if in a triangle the angles are in arithmetic progressions, angles are in AP arithmetic progression, and the ratio of the sides B as to C is equal to root 3 as root 2, then A is equal to what? A is equal to what? Angles are in arithmetic progression. 3 angles, that is A, B, C, are in AP. Therefore, 2B is equal to A plus C. A plus C. This is just property of arithmetic progression. 3 angles are in AP. 2 times middle is equal to sum of first and third. 2B is equal to A plus C. Now we know that A plus B plus C is equal to what? It is 180. Sum of all angles of the triangle. Now A plus C, A and C is 2B, and this 2B plus B is equal to 180. Therefore 3B is equal to 180, B is equal to 60 degree. Now we get B is equal to 60, and this is given B as C. Therefore we write a sine rule. B by sine B is equal to C by sine C, or that is B by C is equal to sine B by sine C, meaning same, sine B by sine C. B upon C as a root 3 by root 2, root 3 by root 2. Sine B, sine 60, sine 60, B as a 60, therefore sine 60 it is again root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, and sine C as it is. Therefore, root 3 gets cancelled, sine C transfer, sine C is equal to, this is 1 by 2, root 2 transfer, root 2. Root 2 cancel, 1 by root 2. Sine C is equal to 1 by root 2, sine 30 1 by root 2 value pi by 4, therefore C is equal to pi by 4, that is 45 degree. C 45, B 60, therefore B plus C 105, therefore remaining angle A is equal to 75 degree. 75. 60 plus 45, 105, therefore 180 minus 105, 75. Example number 9, cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6. Here cos inverse cos does not cancel, because this 7 pi by 6 does not belongs to a principal value branch for cos inverse. Its principal value branch of cos inverse is what? Principal value branch for cos inverse close interval 0 pi. 0 pi matlab hai 7 pi by 6 does not belongs to this 0 pi. Therefore, I write this cos 7 pi by 6, I write is equal to cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6 pi plus pi by 6. That is lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant. Cos is negative in third quadrant. Also cos is negative in second quadrant. Therefore, I write for second quadrant cos inverse cos second quadrant I write pi minus pi by 6. That is meaning same. Meaning same. Second quadrant. Now it is pi minus pi by 6. That is less than 180. Lies in this. Therefore, this cancel. Cos inverse cos now cancel. Because this value belongs to principal value branch. And pi minus pi by 6. That is this calculation becomes 5 pi by 6. 6 transfer, 6 pi minus pi, 5 pi upon 6. B option. B option. Next example, example number 10. Sin inverse 4 by 5 plus cos inverse 12 by 13 is equal to sin inverse alpha. Then alpha is equal to dash dash. Now I write this as x. Sin inverse 4 by 5 as x. And cos inverse 12 by 13 as a y. This. Now from this, sin x equal to 4 by 5. Cos y is equal to 12 by 13. 12 by 13. Now we want this sin inverse x plus y. This has x, this has a y, and invert this. Therefore we want invert this. We want sin x plus y. Sin x plus y is equal to, by using formula, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin b. Now this is 4 5, therefore it is front side, this is hypotenuse, therefore adjacent side 25 minus 16, adjacent as a 3. Here 12 13, 13 is 169, 12 144, therefore this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse, therefore for this y front side is 5. Now put the values. Sin x is here 4 by 5. Cos y here 12 by 13 plus cos x, it's a cos, adjacent 3 upon hypotenuse 3 by 5. Sin y for this front 5 upon hypotenuse 13. Total 48 by 65 plus 5 3 are 15 by 65. 48 plus 15, 63 by 65. That is A option. A option. Next example, if any triangle ABC, if A cos B is equal to B cos A, then the triangle is of the type equilateral, isosceles, scalar, right angle. Now triangle, therefore by sine rule, I put this A as a K sin A, as a K sin B. Therefore A by sin A, B by sin B, C by sin C is equal to some constant. That constant I take as a K, then A is equal to K sin A. Therefore I write K sin A cos B is equal to B as a, I write K sin B cos A. K cancel and just this transfer, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is equal to 0. Therefore sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, it is sin A minus B. A minus B is equal to 0. Sin A minus B is equal to 0, therefore angle is 0. A minus B is equal to 0. Therefore A is equal to B. Two angles of the triangles are same, therefore it is an isosceles. B option.